Welcome back to the channel, guys. Just a quick little vlog here for you guys. We picked up this Utilitech retractable extension cord from Lowe's. We actually got it as part of our partnership with them. Tom went ahead and got this installed. Not me, but he recorded it, and we're going to go ahead and check it out. If you're interested in picking one of these up, you can check it out. There'll be a link in the description and the pinned comment as well. Purchase one from Lowe's.com. Big thank you to Lowe's for helping us out with that. Alright, so as you saw when Tom got it hooked up, he went ahead and tested it. It's working great and everything. When you pull it out, it does lock into place like that. And you just kind of yank on it and let up, and it'll retract back into there. Anyway, it extends out 30 feet, which is pretty cool. The actual plug thing here, it has 3 outlets on it, looks like. So yeah. It's been working out great so far. I got it hooked up to a fan right now. I think he was drying some clear coat or something on those. But anyway, yeah. Check it out, guys. There'll be a link in the description, like I said, and the pinned comment as well. Thanks to Lowe's again.